The harsh reality: over 90% of traders fail, not because they lack motivation, but because they're relying on outdated methods in a system designed to beat them. Most traders fall into the same trap: chasing signals, reacting emotionally, over-leveraging, and switching strategies every time the market shifts. It's a cycle of frustration, sleepless nights, and drained capital. Now look at the top 1% of traders, the ones consistently winning. They're not sitting at their screens all day. They're not trading based on YouTube videos or Reddit threads. They've moved beyond manual trading. They use systems, automation, logic. They rely on advanced algorithms to do what humans can't: analyze the markets 24/7 with zero emotion and perfect discipline. That's exactly what we built at Market Master. Our suite of institutional-grade algorithms is designed for traders who are done gambling and ready to trade like the top 1%. The Hedge Fund Algo mirrors the logic used by actual hedge funds, analyzing macro movements, price action, and momentum to find powerful swing opportunities across forex. The XAU Algo is engineered specifically for gold, one of the most volatile and profitable markets, executing with precision even in chaotic conditions. And the Futures X Algo is built for traders looking to dominate the futures market, with smart logic tailored to the prop firm ecosystem where passing challenges and scaling capital is key. These algorithms aren't theoretical. They're actively trading, tested across live accounts, and producing real results. No emotions, no human error, just data, execution, and consistency. When I started, I made every mistake: over-trading, emotional decisions, relying on strategies that weren't tested or scalable. It wasn't until I invested in real automation and built out my own algorithms that everything changed. Today, we help traders around the world break free from the 90% and finally build consistency. Here's the truth: retail traders are up against banks, institutions, and high-frequency systems. The only way to compete is to use the same kind of tools, or better. And that's exactly what we provide. If you're ready to step out of the cycle and into the elite 1%, the tools are waiting. Whether it's forex, gold, or futures, we've already built the infrastructure. Visit the link in the description to explore Market Master's algorithms and see how traders are scaling accounts without staring at charts all day. It's not magic. It's math, automation, and tested systems. Trade smarter. Trade like the top 1%.